how we could save lots of money, like doing our own nails. Strike the pose. Welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited. So I am trying to go on the journey of financial freedom. And one of the things you have to give up is like your manicure, pedicure. Pedicures, I can't do myself. But manicure, I can, you know, even though we say we can't, we can. Like on a day like today, it's Sunday, I can put a movie on. I don't have one on because I'm filming this for you guys. Anyway, I want to go over how I, save money by doing my own nails. And I did buy a gel light. This cost me, I know it was under $30. It was like $27 or something. But to get a set of gel nails cost me $35. So now I have the machine. I can do it whenever I want. I am going to do a manicure first. I want to show you some of the things I'm going to be using. This is a lifesaver. This Blue Cross cuticle remover. If you know of a better one, please, please, please put it in a link below because I have the world's worst cuticles. So I bought this little kit. And I think I got it from Amazon, and it was like $15 maybe. But it has everything you need for perfect gel nails. Now this little doodad, I love it. It has can you see it? It takes like 2 AAA batteries, but I have such dry cuticles that I take this and I just go around my cuticles and it just cleans everything right up. It has several other attachments, if you can see that, yeah. But I got that on Amazon for like $13, but I love it. Oh, and for people afraid of sun, the damaging rays, UV rays, I bought these gloves too on Amazon, which I always forget to wear, but I'm going to try to remember today for the video. You put these on and it's cut off, so all you have left out is your fingernails. So your skin isn't exposed to the UV. I have the world's most wrinkled fingers, and they've been that way since I was 12. It's not because I'm going to turn 50 soon. Anyway, so let's get started. All right, so I buffed all 10 nails. Sometimes I'll show you how it looks. It looks kind of nasty when you buff them, but it's a necessary evil. Sometimes you'll have like little spots in the creases. Sorry, I can't see you guys. That you'll need to get to, and you can use this machine for that too. I don't usually use this on my nails, even though it's for your nails. I usually use it on the skin around my nails because I have such hard skin. But anyway, yeah, so you can use this and it's very quiet. Okay, so I don't always use milk, but here it is. Most of the times I just use soap and water, but I'm really, really dry right now. So one of the reasons I do this is because I actually think I give a much better manicure on myself than they do in the salon. The manicure part. Manicure, like treating your cuticles. Okay, so my timer went off and it's been 7 minutes, I think, that I've been soaking. So I'm just going to show you the tip of this. You see how it's different from it has like this little sticky on it, and this is how you put, just because I don't want to move the camera around too much. This is how you push your cuticles back, and you're gonna see like a lot of if you have bad cuticles like me, like a lot of little white stuff coming up, and that's what you're gonna get off with your nippers. So let's go ahead and get this started. Okay, so I've dried, I've washed, and now I'm drying my hands. This is a silly little tip, but it's a very important. The napkin that you use to dry your hands with, I keep it even though it's wet, and I put it here because when I do the polish, I may get a little polish on here and you don't want to mess up your towel. So I think that's a good tip. Okay, so I've added the dehydrator. This is the foundation. It's kind of thick and just like the gel. So here's my light. I'm going to cure this for 30 seconds. This is an LED light. I might have said USB, but this is an LED light. I think it's faster than other ones, but for your first coat, it's 30 seconds, and for every other coat, it's 1 minute, 60 seconds. So if you see the consistency of this, and then I'll show you on the gel too. See, it's like, I hope you can see that. Let's see. Yeah. Huh? Okay, so try not to get it on your back cuticles at all. Try to leave it the thinnest little layer of free back there. I bought this one. I had another one, but you can only put four fingers in at a time. This one you can put your whole hand in, and so it saves time. So I thought it was worth it. I actually gifted my best friend the other one I had for like maybe 2 Christmases ago, so that I can buy one that I put my whole hand in. So it's all about like everything else I bought, it was new. I bought her the gloves. Oh, I didn't put the gloves on. Ugh. All right, I'll put it on the other hand. But I bought her the gloves because she's a cancer survivor, and I didn't want her to be afraid of the light. So that was the 30 seconds. So I'll put the glove on so you can see how that is. Here's a little trick I use because I know I'm gonna get you're gonna get some color on your cuticle. Take your polish remover and you put maybe like fill it a cap half full. You take your orange wood stick and the flat end, not the pointy end, the flat end, and you just soak it in there. So when you do make a mistake, it'll be just so easy for you to take it out, dab it, and get it off. That's a nice little trick. Hope you can see that. Yeah. All right, and here's our color. All right, first one, and I did not get on my cuticles, but that won't last. You know, I just had a thought that I would love to teach like little 13-year-old girls this. That'd be cool. But they could probably teach me. All right, so the first coat is complete. It looks pretty good. You must do a second coat though. Even though it looks good, trust me, it will shriek and you'll start to see. If you don't put a second coat, it'll be bad. So we'll do the second coat, top coat, and we'll be done. After I put my top coat on, I like to go over the edges and just cap off all the edges, and that'll keep it lasting just a little bit longer. All right. This is one thing about being 50-ish. You gotta look over your glasses, not through them. And with all 10 nails completely cured, now you take your alcohol and your cotton balls, and so yeah, you just wiping that residue off. You don't even get anything on the cotton ball really. It's just like a sticky residue if you remember to put them on. This is one of the most important stuff for people with bad cuticles like me, is this cuticle oil. So, and you can just drench this stuff. Don't be shy. Put it all underneath the nails, everywhere. Once you get this in, you go ahead, put it all over, mostly around the cuticles. Lotion, you can use whatever your favorite is. This is just one that I had nearby. And you can't really give yourself a good hand massage like somebody else can. That's the only thing about doing this yourself. But other than that, this is awesome. I am done. I am done. What do you think? I think they came out beautiful. My hands are wrinkled, but they've been that way since I was a child. But I think the manicure, I think it came out really well. I know I look crazy trying to show it to you, but I hope you can see. And this should last me 2 weeks. So, yeah, if you're trying to save, I know it won't save you. You know, it won't make this act alone won't make me financially free. But if I take a ton of acts like this, doing it myself, and you know, saving at $35 every 2 weeks will go a long way. So just thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm Jean. This is 50-ish Glam. So go out there and be fabulous.